Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to go over a really nice machine. This is made by Baileigh Industrial, probably one of the biggest makers on the planet right now. It's a 33-ton by 5-foot overall hydraulic press brake. Very simple to use. It's got light curtains in here for safety. If you get your hands into the wrong position, it'll shut it off. We'll show you how it'll stroke. Right now we have it in automatic mode. It'll go through its entire stroke, quick approach, slow forming, and then a quick retreat. And then you're going to have a timer that's going to hold that down. You can set that how long you need it to be down there. If you take a look right here, here's where your back gauge controls are going to be, as well as your RAM. You hit your back gauge, and not only can you power it here, but you're going to go ahead and manually power it here to get it right onto that number you got to get. The timer is also right here. This is the timer that sets how long it's going to be pressed down. That'll help for bend back and spring back, that kind of thing. We'll show you as it's going down. You can see the safety light curtains stops it right away and retreats. It will not let you bend if your hand's in there. So, great basic press brake. This particular one was brand new. It's never been used. It's only been a demo model just to show here on the floor, so it's a really great deal for you. An amazing price. Let us know how we can help, what you're looking for. If you want to trade in something, we'd love to help you out there too. Our financing is also on our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Give us a call at 626-444-0311. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.